How to apply to ARU through Clearing online. Go to aru.ac.uk. Then find the course page that you want to apply for. Click on the relevant page and then click Apply Now. Then apply through Clearing. Double check the study mode and location and click Apply. Enter your contact details such as your email and mobile phone number. Then click Save Progress. This will take you to the application page. Then enter your details such as your UCAS ID, your first name, last name, and date of birth. We also have a live chat if you need help. Then enter your qualifications. Remember to save your progress. Next, upload your supporting documents, such as your ID and your certificates of your qualifications. Double check the details of your chosen course. You can also add another course if you wish to. Then add in your supporting information such as study support needs or mobility requirements. You can also nominate a person to discuss your application on your behalf. Then add in your residency status and how you will be paying your fees. Double check your clearing information. Then make a note of your clearing reference number should you need to refer back to it. Once you're happy, click Submit. And you're all ready to go.